Alright, part 2 on the trailer. So I plugged in all the wires, they were, or checked them at least, and they were all nice and snug where they're supposed to be. Then I went under the trailer like I said I would, and there was an orange light, and that turned out to be something that heats the pipes for the winter so it doesn't freeze over and clog up. So we turned that off because we're not going to need it. It's summer now. It's June. And there was this other stuff that was underneath a different spot, and it was like black strips. Not sure what it was. Just kind of going like bowing down like that. So I don't know. We'll get someone down here who really knows what they're doing. Someone else. Yeah. All right. That's about it for the trailer. So bye.